What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to talk about how I passed my third XFA with Topstep. Now, I've fluctuated with Topstep XFAs over the past couple of years. Most I've had at one time was 3. I've been in a live funded account once, lost that one after taking a big payout, kind of mismanaging my risk. And I've been trading 2 XFAs for the longest. So now with the new rules, or not rules, but the new expansion, I guess I should say, the new expansion with Topstep allowing 5 express funded accounts, I'm slowly working my way up to 5. So this is number 3. And we can see that this email, the Anthony Trades, was sent today at on June 26th at 2:36 p.m. Congratulations, you're a Topstep trader, blah, 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 blah. $50,000 account. What we're looking at here is the NASDAQ futures. Now, this account took just under 2 weeks to pass, okay? For the length of this combine, I was trading 1 mini contract, looking for very small scalps. Anything in between the range of 4 to 6 points on legitimate setups, change in trends over under the 20 period moving average. For those of you guys who watch my videos already know that strategy. So I'm going to show you today, I was able to make $500 on this combine account to get that account passed. Some of the trades that I took, one was just leading into market open. So I'm looking at the 2-minute time frame. We can see here at 6:26 in the morning, we get this close over the 20 SMA. That high price was 19,935. We confirmed 4 minutes later and go to a price of 19,941. Literally was sold out here on the opening range candle. Now I had to wait a little bit of time here to kind of catch my next move, as this kind of, was a runaway train for a good portion of almost an hour before breaking down, putting in the initial balance high, and then breaking down through the 20 SMA here. Took the confirmation short at 728 for, again, another quick 5 points to the downside. Waited for the rejection. Again, all I'm doing is playing the setups. For those of you guys who are new to the channel, you guys are wondering what these red arrows are, what the indicator is. It's no special indicator. I use the Thinkorswim platform. If I was to right click on my simple moving average, all I have to do is go to edit study and then show breakout signals. Okay, so right click on the moving average, go to edit study, and then once you click that, it's going to show you a little menu where you can click show breakout signals. That's it. Anyways, kind of going on with the video, this was a second short position here. This was also a winner. So again, trading 1 contract, looking for 5 points. We're looking for about $100, minus slippage and commissions and stuff. So far, this is 1, 2, 3 trades for winners. Now, this one closed at 7.52, closed below the 20 SMA. There was no confirmation. There was another candle that closes over the 20 SMA. No confirmation. Again, haven't broken out of this opening initial balance, which is the first hour of trade. And then we get the wash down, right? So we get the wash down here at 7:58. It's a new setup. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time was my entry. Again, easy win there for a few points. And then we're kind of looking here at the reversal. So once we set this initial balance, low, we actually came down here and swept it. So what I was looking for a bigger trade here was a bounce back potentially into the 20 SMA and then a loss, right? A loss of this initial balance low, and I would have looked to get short. However, that rejection and flush never came. We kind of just traded with inside the range. So all bets are off there. Same thing would have happened to the long side. We broke initial balance highs. I would have needed to have seen that sweep get confirmed, and I would have went long there for a bigger trade. Again, confirmation over. I went over this one. The price, I don't believe I gave you guys the price here, but 19,974 goes up to a price of 19,982. So again, another quick winner here. Again, in this market environment with the market, ranging up here at all-time highs, I'm not looking for my normal 1-to-1 where I'm looking for maybe 20-25 points on a 5-minute time frame. I'm just keeping it short and sweet and just trying to hit these base hits. And we're doing a lot of testing here on particular scalping strategies inside of Evolution Traders, myself and a lot of the members. Really good group of guys there that are, very, very diligently and hard working, playing around with some different metrics here. But I wanted to prove to not only myself, because again, as a trader, we have many tools to our belt. So of course I'm always going to play the 20 SMA plays, but I'm also going to play, you know, pullbacks. I'll also play reversals. I'll play these breakdowns through opening range, or I'll play, you know, break of overnight session highs. I got a lot of tools in my belt, but I wanted to kind of really just focus on one particular setup and kind of run those metrics. And, you know, again, market cycles change, and you're going to always take losses, but for the past 2 weeks it's provided enough opportunity to make the $3,000 trading one mini contract to pass that evaluation. Let's see how it does now in the funded stage. Again, you know, things can change and I might have to adjust take profits or adjust stop losses. Right now I'm running like a $200 to $220 stop loss, and, you know, and or 12 to 15 points on the one mini side, depending on, you know, what the market's looking like. And it's hitting at a very high win rate right now, right? So again, anytime you do back testing, anytime you do forward testing, you need a lot of trades, you need a lot of data. You know, 2 weeks is not going to be enough data for me to say that, you know, this is the end all be all strategy. Again, you know, things are going to change. I'm human. I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to get carried away. I'm going to take other setups when I shouldn't. I'm going to over trade days sometimes when I shouldn't. You know, I'm going to rush into things again, just like everyone else. You know, more experience in the game helps, right? This is my 10th year trading. More experience in this business definitely does help, but the problem is never solved. Okay, there is no solution to the emotions that we feel as humans. I just want you guys to understand that. But what I want to kind of emphasize is that if you guys kind of find an edge and you find a strategy and you stick to it long enough to see it through to profitability, you can get that confidence to get more consistent. Again, you know, when you're dealing with scalping strategies, you're going to take a lot of trades. When you're looking for, you know, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points, 6 points, 7 points, even 10 points, you're going to take a lot of trades, and you're going to, you know, break even on some, you're going to lose some, but it's all about getting through a batch, right? Like what I'm really focusing on right now is trying to get through a batch of 100 trades. And in the past couple of weeks, you know, I'm at about, you know, 40 something, 50 trades. So, you know, I would say a month's worth of data, it's going to give me around 50 trades. Right now I'm averaging between 5 to 7 trades a day. And again, there are some losers in there. There are some losers in there. So again, you know, we have to learn how to manage those losses. For right now, the time being, what I'm doing is if I start off with the losing trade, I'll take one more trade. If that trade's also a loser, I'll stop trading on that account. If that second trade's a winner, I'll continue to trade until I take the next loss. But as I progressively take more trades, I will size down to prevent giving back some of those initial gains. If I manage to catch, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, I'm definitely going to go half size, and I'm going to keep continuing to trade until I take that loss. And then when I do take that first loss, then I'm going to shut it down. The hours of trading for me are only going to be between market open and lunchtime. I'm not looking for nothing after lunch. I got a dedicated window there, you know, 2.5, 3 hours worth of trade, and that's about it. Hope this gives you guys a little bit more confidence to continue your journey with passing your prop firm evaluations and on, you know, get on the road to getting some payouts. Again, stick to it, right? 2 weeks, one mini contract, not a lot, right? It's not a lot. If you're trading on the micro side of things, maybe it might take 3 to 4 weeks. But again, you can also speed up that process a few days or just a week by trading multiple mini contracts, but just understand that you might lose some accounts along the way. That's completely fine. You have to, it goes along with the game of sizing up. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys would like to trade with me each and every single day and join the room, that link is down in the description box below. Also, if you guys are looking for a great prop firm, especially if you guys zone trade or dollar cost average, that firm's going to be Topstep. That link's down in the description box below. If you guys are looking for a little bit more of a scalping strategy, you're looking at scalping strategy and you're more of a scalper, go with Apex. You can get up to 20 accounts. That link is also down in the description box below, and I'll see all of you guys on the next video.